guys, welcome back to Charmita's channel. And today, before that, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, like, share, and don't forget to comment. And also follow my Instagram. And as I was talking, what is today's video? It's about village cooking. Could you see behind me? It's all greenery. This is my grandfather's farmhouse. So let's start cooking. Now I have washed these pots. Now I'm going to clean it with rice water. Can you see a black and white bird? Doesn't that look so cool? So beautiful. So beautiful. I'm way far away. But look. Oh, it just flew. Wow. Flew to that container. Wow. So cool. I'm so happy I'm getting this on camera. Wow. Super, right guys? It's been 24 hours. Let's go and cook. Come. So this is our ingredients. And there's a lot of ingredients there. Guys, we are gonna make rice puli kulambu with drumstick. Come, let's start. Now let's wait for the water to boil and add the rice in. Guys, now let's put our rice. It looks fantastic and fantastic when we eat it. Oh, till the rice cooks, let's go and harvest some, drum roll please, drumsticks! Guys, look what I found, a drumstick! Wow, cool right? Let's go and cook it. Also got some many other in its lunchtime. Come, let's go. Guys, it looks wonderful. It is cooking well. My tummy is already grumbling. I'm hungry. Guys, now we're ready for gravy. 1, 2, 3, and then the last spoon, 4. Enough. Mustard. Fenugreek. Next. Jeera pepper. And that's all. Now turmeric, chili powder and coriander. Look at the red spicy chili powder. Wow. Is this coriander? I have no words to say how this gravy looks like. Let's stir it. Smell is, oh my. Just tell what's the smell. I wish you could smell it. Let's add ginger garlic paste and tomato puree. It's not puri, it's puree. The puree is like tomato paste. No, tomato puree. It's puree. Guys, let's add some yummy tummy sauce so that it will have yummy flavor. Now let's add some water and some drumsticks. It feels like it looks so good. But it looks so awesome and colorful. Now let's add some tamarind because we're making puli kulambu. So without this tamarind, how are we make puli kulambu? So let's add tamarind water. Guys, it's almost done. It looks fantastic. Can you see? It looks yummy.
The food is yummy, tasty. I like it.
It was wonderful. Really liked today's video and hope you guys also liked today's video. By village cooking, you should also make this village cooking. So please make this village cooking. If you don't have a village, it's alright, but just eat it. Just eat it.
video. So thanks to my daddy, my mommy, my grandfather, my grandmother, and of course my aunt for all the things. You guys for watching my videos. So hope that you like it. Guys, the channel with us next short time. Peace. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.